What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once again to our review sessions. This is the second installment for the year 2022, and yeah, like always, we're going to review our favorite pairs: US 100, US 30, and DAX 40, right? Without further ado, here we got our charts over here, and I think we're going to do a little bit different with the whole outlay of our charts and whatever the case may be. Last year we used to draw out our analysis, draw out our areas of values and whatever the case may be before we did our analysis. But what we're going to do now is that I'm going to leave my analysis that I do throughout the day, and I'm just going to expand from there. I think it's a quicker video for everyone to look at, and it's not very long for you guys to see like what's happening within the charts, and yeah, it doesn't drag out, right? So over here we got our chart on the D1 time frame. Like always, let's go out to our 1 hour time frame to get a better in-depth analysis of what is going on with the charts. So as you can see, this is how price played out today. So as you can see, that's 31st, sorry, not today, yeah. So there we go. So price played around this zone here today, and it opened up at this zone over here. So what we were waiting for is for either price to get to this zone, reject the zone and push to the downside, or price to push up, retest and push to the upside, right? So what we got over here is that price got to our area of value, D1 area of value. It pushed to the side, it rejected the side, and it pushed to the downside, right? So what we didn't know is that price is going to continue this bearish movement here. So the ideal move for us was going to be, let's go to our 15-minute time frame, let's get it up, and this is how we're going to take this trade, right? It was going to be a short position. We're going to wait for the fake out and a break. So once price, if it's on a higher time frame, on our D1 time frame, and it rejects that zone, the probability of it pushing downwards is very high because it's on our daily time frame, right? So this is how we're going to enter the trade, because remember, we enter from retests, right? And we want to put our stop loss there. So it's the break, the retest, which was a shallow retest, and the push to the downside, which is a good move over here. And as you can see, there was a nice risk to reward ratio. There was a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, and if you continue holding this trade, this was going to be a risk to reward ratio. So this is a very nice move for whoever caught the move from up here all the way down to this downside, right? So the next pair that we're going to speak about is US 30 and how US 30 moved out today, right? So we got US 30 on a 1 hour time frame. So this is our most recent high. This is the highest price has ever been at this zone, right? So price opened out below here. So yesterday price broke below, and it played around this area. So as you can see, what price did this morning, or when it opened, it broke above and retested the zone. And as you can see, it rejected the zone and pushed to the upside, right? If you caught this move earlier on in the day or in the evening as market open, you're going to be in a nice uptrend, right? And you're going to wait for price to get to this zone over here, right? So because we didn't have time, or this is not our trading time, we waited for price to get to this zone here, either reject and push back bearishly to this zone here, retest the zone and push the upside, or break above, retest and push the upside, which we can see on the 1 hour time frame. It really did that. Broke above, closed above, creating a new high. It retested that our area of value D1, our daily area of value, support, and yeah, as you can see, it rejected and pushed the upside. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame to get an in-depth analysis of what really happened here, right? So this zone over here is the weak area, it's the weak momentum. So as you can see, this is how you want to enter into the trade: the break, retest, and as you can see, it faked out and pushed back up. So this was the trade that you want to go into. You want to wait for price to break this high over here and then it's when you want to enter, or you want to enter earlier on here, depending on how much of a risk trader you are. And as you can see, this was a very good risk to reward ratio trade, and it pushed all the way to the upside, which made a 200 point move, right? You want to put your stop loss right below there, which is not such a bad risk to reward if you earning this much, right? There's a 1:4 or 1:5 risk to reward ratio, which is a very good risk to reward ratio. Next pair we're going to speak about is DAX 40. DAX 40 was quite a simple trade, wasn't such a bad trade. If you go into a 1 hour time frame, this is what you see. Obviously it's not a new high. Here's a new high, so price is going to reach this area. So what price did yesterday? It broke above, closed above this D1 area of value resistance, now new support. So it had to form a little bit of structure for us to establish when we want to enter or exit the trade. So as you can see, price got to the zone, rejected the zone, and pushed the upside, right? So as you can see, this is where it closed yesterday. So price opened up this at this zone over here and pushed the upside, right? So what we were waiting for German open, market open, was for price to either retest previous day's high or previous day's high, or our D1, our daily area of value support. So as you can see, price pushed up, retested our previous day resistance zone or high, and pushed the upside. So this was how the trade was going to be taken. You want to wait for that break, retest, and you want to enter here. So let us go into the 15-minute time frame to get a nice clear indication of what happened. So it's the break, the retest, and here's the wick that you got on the 1 hour time frame. So what you're waiting for is the break above, the retest, and the push to the upside, and this is where we're going to enter the trade. So we saw that rejection zone, and that's how we're going to enter the trade all the way to our next D1 resistance zone. But as you can see, it didn't reach our D1 resistance zone. This was the closest that it got to it, and yeah, this is how the trade played out, which is a very good trade as well, and a very nice good risk to reward ratio. Anyways guys, like always, I hope you guys got value from this video as always, and please like and subscribe to the video. Please let me know the things that you'd like me to explain, what things you'd like me to put into these videos, what would you like more explanation on. And yeah, till tomorrow for another review session. Cheers for now, and yeah, let's keep pushing, let's keep grinding, and yeah, by us being consistent and following our rules, we will be profitable traders. Okay, cheers, bye.